across the country, but we're gonna see if we can do it. Thank all you guys for following along and joining me in this adventure. Hopefully, by the end of this video, we're in Bradenton racing some Ford Rangers.
Beautiful morning out here at the Freedom Factory.
Are we going racing?
No, we gotta make a little we gotta make a little run to Publix. Premium seats. Premium. We got this. We have the safety glasses on.
Look at that chariot. Got Ricky with the groceries. My Ranger!
Race truck.
You're definitely gonna last. Yeah.
Is that factory?
Yeah, that's factory. Them bolts are factory.
You know, for short people, this isn't exactly the easiest thing in the world.
You're doing a great job.
Good to go now.
Well, welcome back to sunny Florida. Actually, welcome back to very humid Florida. But all the way across the country, the time is like 4 o'clock, I think. Yeah, so the time is 4 o'clock. We've got an hour and 20 minutes to get to the Freedom Factory, and the race is somewhere shortly after 6 o'clock. I'm already tired, but we're gonna go see if we can give JH a run for the win tonight. And Eddie qualified with an 18.7, and then there was another guy with an 18.3. They just ran qualifying, and JH was in with an 18.17. So that's the field is tightening up what trucks are there, so it should be a pretty exciting race. Let's see if we can get there. All right, we made it. And it is 5:38. See down there on the dash. It's 5:38, and the race is supposed to start at 6:15. So, gonna go get suited up, grab a snack, see if we can see what we can end up doing. I'm excited. Time to go racing. All right, Eddie got his all here and ready to go. That was uncalled for. Very much uncalled for. All right, well, it's time for us to go over and stage for the race. All right.
I got through with half a tank, so.
Hopefully that's enough.
Yeah, Eddie seemed like he was only burning a quarter since yesterday, so.
Okay. Woo!
Good to go?
Thank you.
All right, have fun. Good luck.
All right, well, here we go. Gotta admit, it's been a long day. See if we can go have us some fun.
Tyler, he was outside. Elder and ready to go for 20 laps. Ford Ranger Division. Ready to go.
Well, that was a lot of fun. Came home second to JH Diesel again. And that was all I had. Like, he got through traffic to start the race, and then I couldn't get around this guy.
I know,
Like,
you're slow. I'm coming for you.
somebody got way faster.
Yeah, well, you know.
Didn't
I
lap
tried.
you?
Yeah, you didn't.
I didn't even see you. Like,
Yeah.
after 20 laps, I still didn't see you.
I didn't-
Like,
I
I
didn't
wasn't
see
even
you- I
close to
didn't see
lapping
you
you
either.
after 20 laps. So
I was-
they ended up shortening our race to 20 laps, I think, to try and make up for a big oil down they had earlier. But that was a pretty good race.
That's fun.
I could feel my tiredness. Not that that's any excuse, but definitely was a good time. I thought I felt the tire going away. Yeah, I did. That tire's done. So you can see once it starts, get out, who's in the light? Once it splits at the cord, it just starts coming apart. So I think with more camber though, that won't happen as bad. So anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for this video because I'm tired. Maybe we say something to JH, I don't know. But may wrap it up for this video. If it is, thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.